In this video, you will learn Spanish numbers from 1 to 100. Numbers 1 to 20, we go slow. Numbers 21 to 100, we go faster. Stay until the end for a practice test. Let's start. 1. In Spanish, uno. Uno. 2. In Spanish, dos. Dos. 3. In Spanish, tres. Tres. 4. In Spanish, cuatro. Cuatro. 5. In Spanish, cinco. Cinco. 6. In Spanish, seis. Seis. 7. In Spanish, siete. Siete. 8. In Spanish, ocho. Ocho. 9. In Spanish, nueve. Nueve. 10. In Spanish, diez. Diez. 11. In Spanish, once. Once. 12. In Spanish, doce. Doce. 13. In Spanish, trece. Trece. 14. In Spanish, catorce. Catorce. 15. In Spanish, quince. Quince. 16. In Spanish, dieciséis. Dieciséis. 17. In Spanish, diecisiete. Diecisiete. 18. In Spanish, dieciocho. Dieciocho. 19. In Spanish, diecinueve. Diecinueve. 20. In Spanish, veinte. Veinte.
Now, let's go a little faster. 21, 21, 21. 22, 22, 22. 23, 23, 23. 24, 24, 24. 25, 25, 25. 26, 26, 26. 27, 27, 27. 28, 28, 28. 29, 29, 29. 30, 30, 30. Now, listen to the pattern. 31 to 39, 31, 2, 3. 31, 31, 31. 32, 32, 32. 33, 33, 33. 34, 34, 34. 35, 35, 35. 36, 36, 36. 37, 37, 37. 38, 38, 38. 39, 39, 39. 40, 40, 40. 41, 41, 41. 42, 42, 42. 43, 43, 43. 44, 44, 44. 45, 45, 45. 46, 46, 46. 47, 47, 47. 48, 48, 48. 49, 49, 49. 50, 50, 50.
Now even faster. 51, 51, 51. 52, 52, 52. 53, 53, 53. 54, 54, 54. 55, 55, 55. 56, 56, 56. 57, 57, 57. 58, 58, 58. 59, 59, 59. 60, 60, 60. 61, 61, 61. 62, 62, 62. 63, 63, 63. 64, 64, 64. 65, 65, 65. 66, 66, 66. 67, 67, 67. 68, 68, 68. 69, 69, 69. 70, 70, 70.
71, 71, 71. 72, 72, 72. 73, 73, 73. 74, 74, 74. 75, 75, 75. 76, 76, 76. 77, 77, 77. 78, 78, 78. 79, 79, 79. 80, 80, 80. 81, 81, 81. 82, 82, 82. 83, 83, 83. 84, 84, 84. 85, 85, 85. 86, 86, 86. 87, 87, 87. 88, 88, 88. 89, 89, 89. 90, 90, 90. 91, 91, 91. 92, 92, 92. 93, 93, 93. 94, 94, 94. 95, 95, 95. 96, 96, 96. 97, 97, 97. 98, 98, 98. 99, 99, 99. 100, 100, 100.
Amazing! You just learned all Spanish numbers from 1 to 100. Now, let's practice. I say the number, you say it in Spanish. 5, 5, 12, 12, 17, 17, 25, 25, 33, 33, 47, 47, 60, 60, 78, 78, 91, 91, 100, 100. Excellent! Subscribe to Spanish Snap for a new Spanish lesson every single day. Hasta luego!